Before you know it, summer will be over and school will be back in session. Tuesday, One Peoria is sponsoring a back-to-school and health fair to help prepare your kids to return. Here with me today is Democratic State Representative for the 92nd District, Jahan Gordon Booth. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Such a fashionista.
Thank you.
Okay, so we know pretty much what a back-to-school event is.
Yes.
So what exactly will this event entail?
So One Peoria is a collaboration between myself and State Senator Dave Kaler. We know how important it is that parents keep money in their pockets and not have to spend money on the things that are able to be provided through another avenue. And so we have pulled together backpacks and school supplies. We've pulled together doctors to be able to provide school physicals. It's also going to be really fun in a carnival-like environment. Nice. So we're going to have carnival lides, jumpy houses, popcorn, slushies, cotton candy. It'll be great.
Yeah.
Music, live band, not live band, live DJ. It'll be a great time. We want the entire community to come out. We want to love on folks. And so that's really what it's about. We know that there are a lot of other opportunities to do stuff like this. And so we just want to make sure that we're doing our part to be able to make sure that those families that may not be able to get to some of those other back to school opportunities can come to ours.
Now with those families, are there certain requirements, age limits, or who exactly is eligible to receive the support?
Ostensibly what we ask is that for any backpack that we give away, the child actually be present. Oftentimes you may get someone who will say, well, I have 3 kids at home. Well, they have to be present. And we also are asking for the children to be at least 6 years old.
Okay.
Last year we had a couple 3-year-olds come through for a backpack. And we get it. We know that pre-K is a real thing, but we want to make sure that our kiddos that are going to kindergarten, first grade and beyond have the opportunity to be able to get those backpacks.
And how many kids are you guys expecting?
Last year we had over 500 families that we were able to support. We were out at Glen Oak Park. It was safe, it was fun, it was real hot, but it was a great time, and we look forward to being able to do that for the community again.
And speaking of real hot, it's summertime.
Yes.
You know, in kids' minds, why back to school already? Why are we thinking so far ahead? So why now?
So, you know, District 150, when they went to the balanced calendar, school starts a lot earlier than it used to. I'm a Virgo, I'm an August baby. School starting used to align directly with my birthday. That is not the way, August 23rd, that is not the way that it is anymore. School starts in less than a month. August 2nd is the first day for Peoria Public Schools. They are the first school that goes back, but after August 2nd, all of the other schools in the area will also begin to go back. And so one of the things that we think is important is that families have the ability to get an assessment on what their kids' needs are going to be, get them thinking early and now about making sure the kids are ready. Because even though it feels like it's, you know, still less than a month away, but it's not next week, the reality of it is that when you're getting ready for back to school, particularly if you have multiples, you need to really start to make a plan around not just the backpacks and the school supplies, but those school physicals. There are some kids at, you know, particular ages, kindergarten, 5th grade, you can't even start school without that physical.
Very true.
And so we want to make sure the kids are ready, first day, hit the ground running for a great year.
It sounds like it's going to be an absolutely great event. I hope your turnout is as well, if not better than it was last year. 500 families, that's an accomplishment. So we're wishing for more of that.
Thank you. I hope so.
The Back to School Fair is happening at Peoria's Glen Oak Park Tuesday, July 11th from noon to 5 p.m. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. We'll be right back after the break.